Today, we're diving into some habits you might not realize are making people steer clear. If you've ever wondered why some interactions feel off, here are 12 behaviors to avoid. Constant interrupting. Cutting people off shows a lack of respect. Listen first. Over-complaining. A negative vibe can bring others down fast. People prefer positivity. Bragging or one-upping. Always outdoing others makes conversations feel competitive, not supportive. Being late. Time is valuable. Being late signals disrespect for it. Gossiping. If you talk about others behind their backs, people might wonder what you say about them. Not listening, checking your phone, or daydreaming. It shows you're not engaged, constantly correcting others. This can feel condescending. Not every mistake needs fixing. Acting self-centered. Talking only about yourself is a big turn-off. Lacking empathy. Dismissing others' feelings can come off as cold. Being passive-aggressive, honest communication beats hidden hostility. Having a closed mind. People appreciate open-mindedness. Rigidity can drive them away. Over-apologizing, apologizing excessively makes you seem insecure and insincere.